Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku with 4 stars in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, March the 23rd, 2021. The second Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number 2517. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I have already counted 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so we can start. So let's get started. Alright. The first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We see here the 3 and a 5 in this big square. So no 3 and a 5 in those 3 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. These 3 numbers should be the 1, the 2, and the 9. 1, 2, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the 8 in this column, 8 in the column next? So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. 1, 2, 9, 6, 7, 4. Okay. We see here 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about this big square? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 9. Okay. Let me see. 3 in this column, last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 5 in this third column? 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2, 9, 6 are missing. 2, 9, 6 are missing. Alright. We have an 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column in between, only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9, should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. So we have a 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those again. Okay. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. And the 9 is missing. Okay, okay. 9, 4, 6. 9, 4, 6. Yeah. 4, 5, and the 9. Alright. 1, 1. 4, 4. Okay. Let me think. 5, 5. 2, 2. Yeah, 2. 2 and a 3. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the second row. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. So what are the other numbers in this big square? Those numbers are the 9 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. Alright. Yeah. 2 numbers left in the second row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be the 6. And that box should be a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second column for the number 6 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes in the first row, column should be the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9 are missing. And I cannot fill this yet. Again, a lot of pairs. Okay. 2, 7, 3. Yeah, 2, 7, and 3. Okay. How about these 2 numbers in the third row? Those numbers are the 7 and the 6 are missing. Still cannot fill this yet. Still cannot fill this yet. A lot of pairs. Okay. So, in this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, so no 4 here. Here also a 4, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Okay. 3. Then. 6. Let me think. Here's supposed to be also a 9. Okay. 1. 2 and 6. 5. Yeah. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Okay. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 3 should be yes. We have 9 and 4 here. So in this box we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means in one of those 2 boxes is a 3. I cannot place a 3 here. So this should be a 2. And that box should be a 3. Okay, now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 6. Alright. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 3 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Now we have a 6 here. So this box can't be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. And that box should be a 4. Alright. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. And that box should be a 9. Alright. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can't be 9 anymore. This box should be a 9. And that box should be a 1. Alright. So we have here the 2, 7, and 3. 2, 7, and 3. Okay. Okay, 2, 7, and 3. About these 2 boxes, the 2 and the 7. Yes, in this row, 2 missing numbers, the 2 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. Alright. 2 boxes left in the middle a row for the number 7 and 1. 7 and 1. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and that box should be a 6. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only place for the 6 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 6, we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9, 2 and 9, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 go. Oh, did I make a mistake here? Did I make a mistake here? Yes. I need to switch. Wait, 9 and the 2. Wait, 6 and the 2. It was not 6 and the 2 because we have a 6 and a 2 here. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This should be the 9. Okay. 9. We already have a 6. So this box should be a 2. I'm going too fast. 2, 2, 2, 9, 9, 9, 6, 6, 6, correct, 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4. Yes, this one, this is the solution. Completed in 15 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. And is it really a 4 stars? No, I think whether it's a 2 or 3 stars. Well, 2 stars. I will give this one 2 stars. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the 2 last puzzles, a binary puzzle and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.